Students, listen up. Your brain needs fuel. And no, instant noodles don't count. Want better focus, energy, and grades? Let's talk about food habits that actually help you win. Whether you're pulling late night study sessions or juggling classes and part-time work, what you eat directly impacts your memory, energy, and stress levels. Let's fix it the smart way. First up, never skip breakfast. It's your brain's first fuel of the day. Choose protein plus fiber. Think eggs and whole wheat toast, oatmeal with nuts, or yogurt with fruit. Skip the sugar-loaded cereal. Next, smart snacking is real. Swap chips and candy for almonds, bananas, roasted chickpeas, or even popcorn. These snacks keep your energy stable during lectures or long Zoom calls. Third, hydration equals focus. Even mild dehydration can cause brain fog. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Try infusing it with lemon or mint if plain water feels boring. Fourth, watch the caffeine. Coffee helps, sure, but overdo it and your sleep, focus, and mood will crash. Stick to 1 to 2 cups and never before bed. Balanced meals beat energy crashes. Each meal should include complex carbs, lean protein, veggies or fruits, and healthy fats. Think brown rice, whole grains, eggs, tofu, chicken, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Finally, prep ahead. Batch cook your meals or snacks on weekends. This saves time and keeps you away from late-night junk orders. Your food choices don't just affect your weight. They shape how you think, feel, and perform. Nourish your brain and your grades, confidence, and energy will follow. Want to know what foods your body needs to thrive as a student? Get your personalized nutrition report today at www.nutrivia.ai and power up your student life with the right fuel.